Dear student, we shall learn today the rounding of decimal numbers. Now, before explaining about the rounding of decimal numbers, let me explain you about the place names of the different digits in a decimal number. So, in an example, I have given 7,827.1234. So, decimal number consists of a whole number part and decimal part separated by a point. This is known as decimal point. So this place name is ones place or unit place, and this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousand place. To the right of decimal point we have tenths place. It is not tenths place, tenths place, because the place value of any digit in this place is 1 by 10, that is 0.1. This name of this place is hundredth place. We call this as hundredth place. The place value of this 1 by 100, that is 0.01. This is thousandth place, not thousands, thousandth, because 1000th part. This is 0.001. This is 10,000th place, 1 by 10,000, it is 0.001. And we can call this as also first decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place, fourth decimal place. Now let me explain you rounding of decimal numbers with examples. Now to begin with, I am going to explain you rounding of the following to first decimal or 10th place. Now to begin with, I will explain the first example, 12.12. So I have to round off this number to first decimal place. So to round off this number to first decimal place, we have to look at the second decimal place or hundredth place. Now in second decimal place, we have a number 2 which is less than 5. Less than 5. So we need not add anything to the first decimal place because second decimal place is less than 5. So you can write whole number 12 as it is, then first decimal as it is. We need not add anything and make remaining as 0. Answer is 12.10. So I have rounded off 12.1 to the first decimal place. So let us go for the second example. 56.75. In the first decimal place I have digit 7. In the second decimal place I have 5. Now in second decimal place it is equal to 5. Equal to 5. If a decimal is a number is equal to 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 to first decimal place. So this becomes 8. So whole number part as it is, you need not disturb this 56 point, and this becomes 7 plus 1, 8, and make this as 0. So answer is 56.80. Now third one, 9.98. Now again we have to round it off to the first decimal place. We have to look at the second decimal place. In second decimal place it is more than 5. Second decimal place is equal to 5 or more than 5. Add 1 to the first decimal place. So it becomes 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So carry 1 to tens place. So this becomes 10. So here it becomes 0. Once again explain, because the second decimal place is more than 5. Add 1 to the first decimal place. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1 to the unit place. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10.00. Is the answer. Now fourth example, 1.95. In the first decimal place I have 9. Second decimal place I have 5. So second decimal place is equal to 5. So if the first decimal in the second decimal place it is 5. So if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the first decimal place. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write here 0. Carry 1 to the unit place. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 2.00 because this becomes 0. Now next question 3.127. Now you have to round it up to the unit place. The second place or 100 place, we have a number which is less than 5. Less than 5. You need not add anything to the first decimal place or 10th place. Right, as it is. So whole number as it is. First decimal place it becomes 1 because in the 10th place or second decimal is less than 5. You need not do anything. Make this as 0. This also 0 because this place is not having any significance here. So 3.100 or you can write just 3.10 because both are having same value. The next problem 77.1852. Now no matter how many decimal places are there after decimal point, we have to focus on the place where you have to round it up. Now here we have to round it up to the first decimal place. In the second decimal place, the number is more than 5. If it is equal to more than 5 or equal to 5, add 1 to the first decimal place. So it becomes 2. Make remaining as 0, 0, 0. Then whole number doesn't get disturbed, right, as it is 77. So that is equal to 77.20. You may ask whether 77.2000 or 77.20 is great. Both are having same value. Now again in this example we have to round it off to the first decimal place. In the second decimal place we have a number which is less than 5. So that means we need not add anything to the first decimal place. Write as it is. Make remaining 0, 0. Whole number remains undisturbed. Write as 48.20. That is equal to 48.20. Now in this example, in the first decimal place we have 1. The second decimal place we have 2, which is less than 5. You need not add anything to the first decimal place. Write as it is 0.1. Make this as 0. And the first, that is the whole number, remains as it is. The answer is 3.10. Dear children, we shall learn how to round off the decimal numbers to second decimal place.